Welcome to Uma's System. I'm Ms. Uma Rajendran and welcome you all in Uma's System. Okay, so how are you all? Good? Right. Now today we are going to learn a chapter named Helen Keller. The name of that girl is Helen Keller. And we will see what is the story based on. It is a very good one and I hope you will understand this. Main thing is that you need to understand what is there in this chapter and see how the things goes on. Okay, so let's start. Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live." Now, what happened? There was a baby born in the summer in the year 1880, and it was a beautiful baby girl in a small town called Alabama. Okay, and her parents loved her a lot, like your parents love you, no, so much. Like that, her parents also loved her so much and named her Helen Keller. What was the name? Helen Keller. And one day the baby fell sick, बीमार हो गई और डे बाय डे उसका फीवर बढ़ते गया हेलन केलर का फीवर। और सब फैमिली मेंबर्स आते थे और उसको बोलते थे कि टेंशन मत लो, आपका भी बच्ची ठीक हो जाएगी। फिर थोड़ा दिन गया गया फिर सब लोग ये बोलने लगे कि अभी हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये लड़की अभी नहीं बचेगी, दिस बेबी विल नॉट लिव, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है अभी। हेलेन lived, but she was not the same after her illness. Something is very wrong, her mother said. At last, they found out that what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. My God, with the God's grace and blessing, the child was safe and she survived. मतलब वो बच्ची बच गई। पर उनका मम्मा ने नोटिस किया कि वो पहले जैसी थी वैसे अभी नहीं है। जब से बीमार होकर ठीक हुई वो पहले जैसे नहीं है। तो उसकी मम्मा ने नोटिस किया थोड़ा दिन के बाद कि वो देख भी नहीं पा रही है, सुन भी नहीं पा रही है। She couldn't hear and see. My God, so bad, na? The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. Ellen often cried and held on to her mother. Give the poor child what she wants, her father would say. वो हमेशा रोती थी तो उसकी मम्मी के पास जाती थी और उसके पेरेंट्स को बहुत बुरा लगता था और उसकी मम्मी के हाथ पकड़ के रोती थी। उसको पापा बोलते थे उसको जो भी चाहिए वो दे दो, मना मत करो। Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. Her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart, she said, and added, the problem is how can we reach her? She is locked up inside her. Now, everybody was, but Helen was a very bright girl and her mama did not give up. She told that my child is very bright. Anyway, I want to see how can I train my child and reach to her level. मतलब मैं कैसे उसको अपने बच्ची को, मेरी बच्ची बहुत होशियार है और मैं उसको कैसे बाहर लाऊं, उसका प्रॉब्लम से मैं कैसे उसको बाहर लाऊं। Ellen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair or clothes. were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. वो कभी किसी को अपने पास आने नहीं देती थी। जैसे जैसे बड़ी होती थी ना, बहुत जिद्दी होती थी, बहुत ये करती थी सब लोगों से। किसी को अपना बाल कोम करने नहीं देती थी। उसका ड्रेस हमेशा डर्टी रहता था। बहुत गुस्सा करती थी और जमीन में लेट के रोल पोल करती थी, तो उसका पूरा ड्रेस मट्टी से हो जाता था। अपने पैर वगैरह मार के ऐसे ये करती थी। Her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. Spell. Doll. She spelled the word with her fingers into Ellen's hand. Now, what a mama did, her parents thought, no, we should find a teacher. अभी हेलन के लिए हमें कोई टीचर चाहिए जो उसको सिखा सके, उसका बिहेवियर में चेंज ला सके। तो उन्होंने एक टीचर को ढूंढा और वो टीचर एग्री भी हो गई कि हाँ, मैं हेलन केलर के लिए मैं सिखाऊंगी। तो उसका नाम था सुलीवन। हाँ, तो उन्होंने उसको अपॉइंट किया, तो उन्होंने एक डॉल दिया उसके हाथ में और उन्होंने उसको डॉल को स्पेल किया डॉल, ऐसे करके उसके फिंगर से उसके हाथ में लिखा। हेलेन्स हैंड, शी मेड द लेटर विथ स्पेशल हैंड साइन। Helen copied a teacher and spelled the doll too. But she did not understand what she was doing. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand day and night to make Helen understand. Now this teacher was very strict, but she was very kind. She gave many words to Helen by writing with the finger, like this finger. With the finger she used to write on her skin the or like that. Okay, and she gave many more words. One day a teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water. Suddenly Helen understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. She understood that word. Now what happened, one day teacher took her and she put her hand in the running water and then she wrote water. So then Helen clicked that if something is wet in the hand and it is flowing, and that is called water. So like this the teacher used to explain her. Were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Now slowly Helen Keller started learning the words through the fingers. Okay, she used to write and then she used to learn through the fingers like this, tracing. Okay, and then she used to relate that word with the thing. And now slowly and slowly she started to relate everything what was there around her. So what is the new word here? Dearly. Dearly means बहुत प्यार। आप जैसे आपका मम्मी को आपसे बहुत प्यार होता तो आपके मम्मी के जान है ना आप डियरली। इलनेस, बीमार होना। एग्रीड मतलब हाँ बोलना किसी चीज के लिए। ओके, इम्पोर्टेंट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। एग्जाम बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, पढ़ाई बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है ना उसको। So have you understood this lesson, children? See, this is the Helen Keller, how she is learning. I hope you have understood this lesson. Helen Keller, see how smart and intelligent girl she was. She understood and she started learning everything, though she was not able to see and hear. Okay, with the touch she started learning. So be strong like Helen Keller. Okay, don't be scared for anything. Okay. Bye. See you. Have a good day.